Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the screen layout of your 2025 Hyundai Santa Fe. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you just got a 2025 Hyundai Santa Fe and you're looking to actually go ahead and customize like the screen layout. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is click on Setup, which is this button right over here. Then click on Screen Layout. And here's where you can actually go ahead and adjust the screen. So you can change the style, you can change the screensaver, or you can set it to split screen as well. Another way is that you could actually go ahead and click on Display, and you can actually adjust the brightness with the display that's shown right over here. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and adjust the brightness on your 2025 and adjust the screen layout of your 2025 Hyundai Santa Fe. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.